Stand by for a stutter. Here comes the forcep using the passing loop. The bi-directional passing loops could be used by both tracks. Hello and welcome to Buckland Junction. It's Alan with Captain Static and Ralphie. And we come to the Folkestone Model Railway Show. I think it's the Folkestone and Hythe Districts Model Railway Show in Folkestone. So let's go and have a look. Steampunk, sci-fi.
I love the fit.
Yeah, well modified. Given that, for the great
is it a Lima one or
that's what that.
no wonder.
But they gave us that for the Great Railway Challenge. So
I know the layout.
Foxley Hill in Engage. It's amazing how much you can get on a tabletop. Look, there's a TARDIS there. Do you know what the TARDIS is? Do you know Doctor Who or not? No, it's more like Huggy Wuggy for you, isn't it? That's Foxley Hill. Welham Hill. Really fine track, double O. Lovely scenery too. I think this one's called West Wick in N. Look how much you can get into such a short space. This board's only about 2 foot by 3 by 8, maybe something like that. Look at that, don't do that, Ralphie. This is West Wick. Amazing. This is the Folkestone Model Railway's own layout. It's quite a monster. You got a friend here? Oh. You getting hungry? I just spotted a station above the railway, so I've got to go and have a look at that for ideas. Yeah, this is the Folkestone Model Railway, and I've just spotted their station on legs over the railway. So this is something like I'm looking for. It's a very southern region looking structure. And look at that, how simple is that? I'm stealing ideas here. This is the kind of thing I'm looking for. Excellent work. Fredstone Lane in N. I'm just amazed on how much you can get into such a small space. It's a colossal layout. Look at this lot. Tracks everywhere. Alsager Railway Association. I think that's up near Crewe, isn't it, Alsager? Wow, massive. German-based layout called Wegberg and Arsbeck. What's this, N or really 5?
Such as that, there's so much room underneath the chimney.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's like a little heating element.
Yeah. So it's almost like a heating element, you get a kettle and you just put a few drops of water.
Oh, yeah.
Swanage Model Railway.
Some are even now doing the truck, synchronised trucking.
Ralphie, no.
All right. Oh, you work? Right. You've done a model. Yeah. Can I see this?
That's the thing.
Yeah, that's the same very well.
Is that oily smoke or not? Smells a bit oily, doesn't it? No, don't breathe it in.
That's the modern version, I think.
Right.
It's on this called Honda Model Wells, and they've demonstrated it on there, but I've not actually seen it happen. It must be out of good somewhere.
Yeah.
You just need to look it up.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
What's disgusting? You or me? Sorry. Oh, another station up on the level there.
Is this double A? What is that? Special? P4?
No, it's double A.
Interesting.
Keep that track.
It's basically 8 shows, which is what we want, similar spacings and sizes.
We're going to convert it to EM next week.
Oh, yeah, now.
So did you hand build the track?
No, it's all. It's SMP track.
It's happening more and more.
Sorry?
There are more of us around.
Yeah. This is real hands-on stuff, isn't it?
I started in dolls' houses, and it's very nice to be able to do interiors of buildings and the layout.
Yeah. I like the wreck of a house there. It's a good idea. Banksfield Road. And there's a sunken barge there, look. There's a barge sunk there, look. I think that's good. Built by a lady. Kenner Lane TND. What's that? Oh yeah. Funny little
yours?
forklift.
No, it's well, else was. I mean, it's that
Well, I better apologise for the rather abrupt end to the Folkestone Model Railway exhibition. I hadn't realised at the time, but my memory card in my camera had topped out, and that's it. I couldn't take any more pictures, but it was a good day out with Captain Static and my dear grandson, so all I can say is Alan out. Take care, good people, and just getting ready to do a Sunday live stream, so take care all. Alan out. Bye.